Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cyber threat modeling with ThreatModeler, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading ThreatModeler from the official website. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Open ThreatModeler after installation is complete. Create a new project by selecting the new option in the dashboard. Input a project name that reflects the focus of your threat model. Choose a template for your project. You can use a predefined template or start from scratch. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Take note of the various sections available. Begin by defining the assets you want to protect. Click on the Assets tab. Add assets such as databases, applications, and networks to your model. Specify the characteristics of each asset, including its importance and functionality. Proceed to identify potential threats to each asset. Navigate to the Threats section. Utilize the built-in threat library to find applicable threats for your assets. Drag and drop threats associated with specific assets into your model. Connect threats to their respective assets to visually represent their relationships. Next, document vulnerabilities relevant to each asset. Access the Vulnerabilities section. Use the vulnerability database to find and incorporate relevant vulnerabilities. Link vulnerabilities to the specific threats they relate to. Now, assess the overall risk for each asset. Evaluate the likelihood and impact of each threat and vulnerability combination. Adjust the risk level based on your findings. Utilize the risk scoring features provided within the software. Once your initial model is complete, generate a report to document your findings. Select the reporting option to create a comprehensive overview of your threat model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.